exactly is leaky gut? Well, if you can imagine, throughout the digestive tract, you have these intestinal mucosal cells that are tightly fused together. Now, this fusion is there for a reason. It keeps undigested foods and toxins and microbes from passing between these cells into the bloodstream. Leaky gut is these fusions have actually been broken. So what happens is microbes now pass freely into the bloodstream, along with other foods like gluten proteins, which now breach the blood-brain barrier, creating inflammation, autoimmunity, and also causing malabsorption and nutrient deficiency. Let's talk about the causes of leaky gut. Antibiotic use. One use of an antibiotic destroys 100% of the healthy bacteria in the gut and can take up to 2 years to replenish. Consuming Splenda or other artificial sweeteners. One use of Splenda destroys 50% of the healthy bacteria in the gut. Consuming antibiotics in commercially raised meats. In fact, 80% of all antibiotics manufactured in the U.S. go into commercially raised meats and dairy. This includes beef, chicken, pork, and dairy products. Stress, especially chronic stress, increases intestinal permeability and GI dysfunction. Obesity and overwhelming food cravings. Anything that tips the balance of our microbiome to favor bad bacteria will result in unhealthy food cravings, sweets, starches, and carbohydrates, which can eventually lead to obesity. Eating grains, corn, wheat, and other GMO crops that are laced with Roundup or glyphosate. GMO crops have been modified to withstand treatment with Roundup, so only the weeds die and not the crop plant. Americans are getting a steady dose of Roundup in their diet, causing toxicity and damage to the gut, tight junction health, and our microbiome. So the progression of leaky gut, it begins with these causes: chronic stress, toxins, undigested foods, pathogens, drugs, and infections. These all pass through that leaky gut, that tight cell fusion that's broken inside these gut mucosal cells, entering into the bloodstream. This creates systemic inflammation, leading to poor health. Needless to say, most suffer from some level of leaky gut today.